Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Would like to show you a new boat that we just took in on trade. It is a 2015 250 Outrage from Boston Whaler. We have it equipped in the white hull color with a black accent stripe and black graphics. Boat is equipped with black 225 Mercuries that have 254 hours on them. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the 250 Outrage, there is a lot of features in the stern of this boat that are set up for fishing along with comfort. So we have rod holders all throughout. We also have several rod holders on the leaning post. We do have a freshwater fill here and a freshwater spray down if you'd like to spray down the motors or the stern of the boat. Moving towards the comfort side of things, we do have a nice bench seat here with great hardware from Boston Whaler that they're famous for. You are in arm's reach if you do go through some rougher seas to be able to grab onto something. If you want to flip back to fishing, this seat does fold up and stow away nice and easy. If you do have small children or pets on board, we do have a nice little door to be able to cut things off so you can keep everybody in the boat. And when you do open it up, it is magnetized here, so it will stay in place. Underneath, on port and starboard side, we do have rod storage, along with tow rails if you were fighting that fish to be able to gain some support. Also, on port and starboard side, we have nice, deep, large fish boxes. And here we also do have some nice features, including a large Livewell. Does have that blue in there to signify the Livewell from Boston Whaler. 2 cup holders along with 2 rod holders and a freshwater sink that does have a pull-out spout to be able to spray down the deck if need be. Do have nice tackle storage drawers here. 3 of them, so you can store anything you may need, tackle or knives or anything. We do have some also knife storage here if you wanted to chop up some bait. So now at the helm of the 250 Outrage, we do have freshwater and raw water connections here. Easy plug and play to be able to spray down the boat with either freshwater or saltwater. We also do have rocket launchers here to be able to put rods in here, or you could fly a flag while you're underway. Great spot for that. Teabag storage as well, be able to put life jackets in here, anything you want to get up and out of the way. We also do have the boat equipped with outriggers, port and starboard side, so if you want to go trolling, great way to do that. We also do have storage here. That is where our VHF radio is housed. We do have toggle switching here for our spreader lights, along with our windshield vent and our windshield wiper. We do have a mounted compass as well. Twin 12-inch Garmin screens paired with our vessel gauges from Mercury to be able to display all of our data from those twin 225s. We also have active trim on this boat, so this is where you'll be able to turn it on, off, and also manually override if needed. Do have the boat equipped with a Fushion stereo system. Also has upgraded jail audio speakers that also are in the hardtop as well as throughout the boat. Digital and throttle and shift from Mercury with those twin 225s. We do have Linco trim tabs on the boat as well. More toggle switching to be able to control navigation lights, bilge pumps, fish boxes, anything else that you may need. Do have anchor windlass controls here as well. And we have our standard Boston Whaler steering wheel on a tilt base. The actual seat here, we do have a flip up bolster, so you can flip it up and use it as a leaning post while underway, or you could flip it down and use it as a normal helm seat. Underneath, we do have a flip down footrest here. We also have a trash receptacle equipped as well. As we make our way up to the bow of the 250 Outrage, I would like to point out the very spacious head we have. Equipped with a Vacuflush toilet. This is also where our battery switches, breakers, everything will be, so easy access for you there. Boat is also equipped with a battery charger, so easy plug and play. So now in the bow of the 250 Outrage, we do have a nice little cooler seat here. Great place to sit while underway. We also have a very spacious bow area to be able to operate if you would like to throw a cast net or even cast off the bow of the boat. Also have ample storage underneath. Could double as a fish box or cooler box. Cup holders on port and starboard as well. If you would like to turn the cooler seat into a bow filler, you can. Easy connect here. Boat is also equipped with an anchor windlass, as we pointed out at the helm. Do have access to a remote here if you wanted to operate it at the bow. Thanks for joining me today on the 2015 250 Outrage. If you'd like to learn more about this or any other boat that we offer, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on MarineMax.com. I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.